today we're trying to get the boat out of the way. We're going to be selling the boat, right? You're selling the boat.
Selling the boat.
We need more room for tearing down engines, like and stuff. And
We don't use it.
we don't use it, so we're trying to get the boat out of the way. But in the process, Dad wants to show you how to roll up an extension cord.
Yeah. Come to my attention, there's a lot of different ways of rolling them up. This is the way I roll mine up, and it's just easy to grab it like this, put it over here like your hand, and I roll it like this. And when I get through, you can hang it up very easily.
But doesn't it get twisted up like that?
Nope, watch this.
Isn't it all twisted now?
Let it hang down about that far.
Okay.
Take your thumb, hold it in there, come out of it,
Yeah.
and you take it and you wrap it like that.
Okay.
And you pull this through.
Yep.
Hang it on the wall.
Well, there you
Done.
go. Done. Okay.
Just a little tidbit.
So once we get the boat out, I think we're going to try to get it outside, just kind of clean it up, get it running. It should start up. It's a real nice boat. And then I still got a 6.2. I'm gonna pull the heads and cam out of. And I think that's about all we're gonna be doing today.
I think so. That's all we have time for.
Yeah. We got kind of a late start. We had a small other little project come in that really wasn't worth filming, so we just knocked it out real quick. So now that the boat is moved, this is going to be my new tear down area. I want to make me a little workbench or get me a little table over here somewhere. And I'm going to buy just kind of a separate set of sockets and a couple other things. That way I'm not having to use the cart all the time. But yeah, so what I'd like to do is have this set up to where I can come in here and tear down, multiple engines, get them ready. And then this is still going to be the side where all the paint happens. So we got the tarp up. Gonna have to put some lights up. I got something kind of strung up right now just to give it a little light, but I'm gonna put a few more lights up, and yeah, I think it'd be pretty cool. A little bit more room. I can take on a few more projects. So this is the 6.2 that we've talked about. It's gonna get Texas speed cam. It's getting a pretty large cam. I don't know if it's stage 3 or stage 2, something like that. Muscle car oil pan, Texas speed springs on the heads, and valve seals, so I gotta take the heads off of it. This one's gonna get an LT4 blower on it. We probably won't put the blower on here at our shop, but yeah, so I'm just gonna do a quick tear down of it, and that'll be pretty much it for the day. The biggest part of the day was we had a motor come in that needed an oil pan swap. I didn't film it. It was just a quick little deal we did, and took a little bit of time because it still had the transmission hooked to it, so we kind of just strung it up in the back of the truck, and I got up underneath it and swapped pans. So this one is going to get a Trunnion upgrade. So we'll be getting rid of the dreaded needle bearings. So these will be going back to the house with me. It's also going to get a spring upgrade. So these heads will be going home with me as well. Oh. Okay. There's your direct injection pump. So the valley cover is going to be coming off this one too, because it's going to, since it's getting the Texas speed cam, it is going to be getting the DOD delete package done. So. Whew.
You figure it out. Now you got that one. I got this one wrong. There you go. Perfect.
That's a 10, that's all that. Yep. Perfect, thank you, sir. So what that does is that orientates this oil pump. When we get ready to put it back on, it's going back on in the same position it came off. Because of the way this, it gets a certain wear pattern, you want to keep that as it was. That's going to be a problem. Ah. Oh. Ooh. I'm getting too old for this. There we go. Yep. So this is it's a huge lifter, but that's what drives your direct injection pump. That's the way I like it. Perfect. Wonderful. I believe it's a T40. Yep, feels like a T40. There's really no easy way to do these. I don't care who you are, if you've done these engines before, you strip work engines before. I'm gonna try hard not to strip them out. Alright. Yes. I like it. So, hopefully when we go back in with them, they'll be good too. I don't know, these are just terrible. I hate Torx bolts. So, yeah, Torx bolts, they're Loctited in. One of the last motors we did in the video that had a lot of issues, whoever had previously installed everything and stripped two of them, or actually three of them, and then me working at trying to get the strip one out made it worse, so I ended up having to weld a nut to it, which is what you do. You just weld a nut to this and get it off that way, and then, you know, buy new bolts. But all right, so camshaft retainer plate, we will just put them right back where they go. Perfect time to break out my new tool. Just want to be nice and easy and slow. It sounds bad, but I don't want to nick those bearings, those cam bearings in there. There we go. There is a stock 6.2 cam. Yummy. All right, so everything looks really good. It's all torn down. Got some stuff kind of boxed up. Some of the stock stuff's going to be just trash. We're not keeping it. But yep, so that's it for the 6.2 teardown. Parts have been ordered from Texas Speed. We'll see when they come in, and then we'll get back to building it. This one's getting a T56 manual, so we won't be having to mess with the transmission. And future video coming up over there underneath the blanket is the 6.6. Should be able to probably get that kind of finished up next weekend. We still have the motor that had all the issues, waiting on an oil pump thread, I believe. And then this is that's that 6.2 LS with the Texas Speed heads on it. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. That's gonna do it for us today. Got the 6.2 tore down. Gonna be waiting on parts for a bit from Texas Speed. Got the boat moved, you know, pretty cool. Got a little bit more room for tear down. Gonna do a few things here and there. Thanks everybody for watching. Subscribe, like, share, ring the notification bell. Have a good one. We'll see you on the next one.